The history of transportation in Houston starts with streetcars in the late 1800s. They started out as horse-drawn carriages as an alternative to walking in the dusty, unpaved streets of downtown Houston. The company that made streetcars popular during this time was the Houston City Street Railway, or HCSR. They did this by guaranteeing a reliable method of mass public transit and implementing a service that allowed the city of Houston to make further expansion possible. The streetcar enabled the development of suburbs and gave people a quicker commute from the suburbs to the inner city. HCSR was then bought out by Houston Electric, which progressed the streetcar to be more efficient and helped further expansion, but this time from Houston to other cities such as Galveston. The introduction of the automobile brought about a new competitor in the transportation industry in the form of jitneys, which were the privately owned automobiles used as taxis. These were eventually banned due to the lack of restrictions that plagued the performance of the streetcar system. Into the 1920s and early 30s, Houston Electric and the local government established a bus system, and they saw the advantages it would bring over the current streetcar system that faced congestion and delays. Houston's bus system progressed well into the 1940s and included the change of Houston Electric's name to Houston Transit Company, better known as HUTran. Going into the 70s, HUTran became a poorly organized collection of transit systems. In 1977, HUTran as a private bus system was taken control of by the city of Houston, that subsequently led to the approval of Metro by voters. For the next 2 decades, Metro transformed into the most used bus service in Texas, with routes extending to outlying residential neighborhoods. Metro serves these residents with the use of park and ride services and maintains the majority of its routes serving the several Houston major employment centers. On January 1st, 2004, the opening of Metro Rail took place, rerouting Metro buses operating downtown to conclude at Metro Rail stations. With Metro Rail as the newest addition to public transportation in Houston, it has proven to be one of the most efficient light rail systems when compared to the other major cities in Texas.